the ultimate plug-and-play solar lighting solution. Sun & One's new Speedy Solar Kits, engineered by your location's solar zone, redefine off-grid power efficiency. Designed for rapid deployment, these systems arrive fully pre-assembled right out of the box, eliminating the need for complex setup. Whether you are powering sign lighting, landscape lighting, street lights, mailbox structures, or shipping container lighting, installation is streamlined. Mount the unit to a pole, wire your light to the waterproof connector, and switch it on. Precision engineered to meet specific wattage requirements, the kits are available in 12-volt or 24-volt configurations. Scaling from 5 watts to 50 watts per hour, with or without lights, it provides reliable, tailored power for any project scale. Ditch the technical headaches and long labor hours. Sun & One's Speedy Solar Kits deliver professional-grade, off-grid power with instant, turnkey simplicity. To talk about your project, email sales at sunin1.com or go to sunin1.com.